Hello everyone. So today we are going to start and discuss about traffic light control system. Okay, we will see the ladder logic on traffic light. So as you can see, so in this lecture we will see the ladder logic and the simulation panel. So how to run our traffic lights during the crashes. Okay, sometime it will crashes. Uh, Here you can see sometime it will crashed if your logic are to use to not correct. If your logic are not correct, if your logic are not correct, so this issue will come. Okay, so reduce this issue with the ladder logic. Okay, so let's see. First of all, we will see the ladder logic of the traffic light control. Okay, so in the ladder logic panel, we will see in the first chunk we have to edit the timer done bit, and here we have to take the instruction of NC. Okay, yeah. So in the first chunk we have a NC instruction. Okay, for controlling the timer one. This is our timer one, and here you can see the addressing of the timer, and this is the time base value, and this is the preset value. Okay, and here we have to mention the 80 second. Okay, so 80 second is defined to the 8 second. Okay, so this timer control to this bit. Okay, because this address is same, but the timer have, as you know, the timer have TT bit, DN bit, and EN bit. Okay, the timer have 3 bits: enable bit, and done bit, and timer timing bit. So timer timing bit is energized, and it will energize the green light one. Okay, green light one. So green light one, and after completing the TT value, timer timing bit value, so it will off. Then the green light also off, and after TT bit de-energized, the DN bit is energized. Okay, so when the DN bit is energized, so it will passing the signal to our timer 2. Okay, this is the second timer, which is controlled to the yellow light 1. Okay, and as you can see, the this timer is used for yellow light and red light. Okay, so red light, it will operate. Red light energized with 2 instructions. Okay, the first instructions is that our timer 1, and the second instruction is take from the timer 2, this one. Okay, and it will from this one. Okay, and after that this DN bit, the second timer DN bit, transfer the signal our third timer. Okay, and the third timer operates the green light second. Okay, and the green light on during 8 seconds. Okay, and after that it will the DN bit of timer third, the third timer DN bit, it will energized, and it will activate the timer 4. So our timer 4 runs only for 4 seconds. Okay, and the timer 4 operates and controlling the yellow light second. Okay, and the yellow light second, after de-energize this, it will operate the in the same condition. It will operate the red light one. Okay, so in the initial way, you will see this logic how it will work in our simulation panel. So let's see in our simulation panel. So this is our simulation panel, and first of all we need to download our program in a PLC. So you should click on the download icon, and after downloading the and scanning the whole logic, it will run in our simulation panel. So let's see how it will work, how it will see in the simulation panel. So after click on the run mode, it will run like that. Okay, so here it will stop. This way it stop, but here it will green light, so it will turn on. Okay, passing the cars, but after red it will stop automatically, because here is the this. Okay, this is the sensor which is stop to our course. Okay, and if in this way the red lamp is turned on, so it will sense and stop the cars. Okay, and if if have this issue, so this issue it will come if your logic have, if your logic are incorrect. Okay, if your logic are incorrect, then it will this issue it will come. Okay, so for correction this issue, you can interlocking in your program. Okay, how to interlock your program? Like that, this is the green light and yellow and red and green light and yellow light and red light. Okay, so when this issue it will come, so you will sense, you should the sense of the application. Okay, for the implementation, when this issue it will come, so observe the situation when it will comes. When this issue it will come, so observe the situation operation and sense your logic. After sensing the logic according to your problems, you can improve, you can interlock your, and you can implement in your ladder logic program. Okay, so if you suppose our issue it will come when here is this red and here is this green. Okay, so you can add in the red light one. Here you can add the green light to address here. Okay, if it will run, so it will off. Okay, and if it will off, so it doesn't correct, and you can create a new rung, and you can take this. Okay, this address, because it will sense, and if this also here. Okay, and 1 and 2, and if you can take this like red, and green, red and green, and take this the red, this one it can be take like that, and for the green and red you can take one. Okay, I have to, yeah, you can remove now. Okay, so now you can check your logic if it's correct or not. Okay, we need to change this restriction. Okay, now you can run. Okay, 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 okay. As you can see, this one and this one. Okay, okay. Not correct. This issue is also come, and this issue will come on, you can see, and you can see in this way. Okay, when your position green and red are this way, so this issue it will come. Okay, now you can see and observe, this one is green and this way is the red, and after 8 seconds it will move on the yellow, and you can see yellow and the red, and red is off, and red is off. This is one way and this is two way, and after, okay, and the green, this green, and the yellow, after yellow, and red, and after red it will on. Okay, and green and yellow and red. So when it will move, okay, you can switch on the manually mode. Okay, if you you will this, then you can, if you want to start manually, so you can push here. Okay, so this issue you can reduce and you can improve like that. Okay, so in any PLCs, any program, first you need to observe the logic. Okay, after observation the logic, uh, you can try to, you you can try to resolve the questions. Okay, you can try to resolve the problems according to observation your application. Okay, like here is crashed the two car together. If you need, if you want to improve your more correct logics, so it will not comes. Okay, this will not come. So here we have the two-way traffic light program. Okay, so you can also try to make a different logic on that, and you can show me, and we can also discuss on the ladder logic what you want to create it. Okay, so if you have any doubt on this lecture and on this simulation and the logic, logic, then you can ask me, and you can improve this problem. Okay, you can improve itself on self. You can improve this problem also. Okay, it will not too big. Okay, for first you observe, first you sense the state of crash. Okay, if you find this problem, then you can easily make and can handle any kind of logics. Okay, so okay, thanks for watching this lecture, and we